cheese dumpling, right? Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps, see there. Hey guys, welcome back to Lombard at the Kitchen. The recipe for today, some cheese dumpling. So watch the video till the end, like, share and subscribe. It's a recipe I got nice and I'm gonna show you all of my ingredients. This is how me prepare my cheese. I'm gonna show you the ingredients. This is sugar, baking powder here, we have the cheese, we have Lasco, we have a flour, we have some caramel otherwise. So just watch the video to the end, like, share. Alright, so I don't need a dumpling thing now, so cover it up for 5 minutes. Go and process it 5 minutes, you know? Yeah. Alright, see dumpling, see? 5 minutes that's now, so you see? Soft and nice and miley. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how me put my cheese in my dumpling and fry it. See, pot are hot in the meantime, that's so I'm going to add some oil to the pot. Right? Yeah. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know, cheese dumpling, right? Yeah man, this is a recipe I got nice. Like and share. Yeah, my peeps, see there? Cheese dumpling ready. Yeah, man. Remember Jamaican cooking it lumberjack, you know. Cheese dumpling ready, you know. Delicious, yummy. Look. See? Hot. Cheese dumpling. Alright? Yeah, man. Mm-mm.